Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. My house is feeling pretty much like a wreck right now. I know it's just messy and this happens to everyone's home, but today, since it is Saturday, we always like to go through the house and get things reset for the new week. Really thoroughly clean things, get everything put back where it belongs, wipe down counters and surfaces, and just have a reset. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. We're going to go through the main living areas of the house and get things put back like we would like them. Before I get started, I'm going to take just a second to turn something on YouTube so I can watch while I clean. Do you do this? I think so many of us do, and I really enjoy watching our tribe of many lately when I'm cleaning. I love their Q&A videos, or just any of their videos are so fun to listen to while I'm just going around straightening things up or washing dishes. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to focus on a Saturday really thorough kitchen clean, and I just wanted to make this kind of vlog style, bring you along and walk you through my process. So you can see that we started the weekend early. Friday we kind of were just getting through our day and just tossing stuff in the sink or left some things on the counters, but I didn't thoroughly clean up last night. And if you usually watch my channel, you'll know we have really strong cleaning routines, but I think it's realistic that everyone takes time off of their cleaning routines. I know yesterday was a really full day. I had extra homeschool activities for my kids, and then we had some activities in the evening, and you know, we're living our life and not worrying too much about the mess. So since I was planning on having a really thorough cleaning day, I decided I would start in the kitchen because that's my favorite place to start and get some motivation. I cleaned off the countertop first because I think a little win just to start it off is great momentum for actually finishing the job. So I have that nice clean shiny counter, I'm clearing the dishes and getting those all washed, and then I have a pile of stuff to put away. We use our dishwasher more as a drying rack than an actual dishwasher. Something's wrong with the motor, it makes noise, I don't like to use it. So maybe someday we'll be dishwasher people, but for now we wash by hand, and then we usually put stuff away after it's dry. So, you know, we let it drip dry. Hour or two later, I ask one of the kids, oh, please put away all the things in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna take the time to do that. It's my turn. That's what I say. We all take a turn doing things, and then we're just gonna get on with things. So I'm really happy that this is coming along quickly. I'm motivated by my clean kitchen counter, and I am ready to get you motivated to clean whatever mess you have. Maybe it's a Saturday at your house, or maybe it is just a regular weekday, but I hope you'll come along and either be inspired or clean along with me. Leave down in the comments, what are you cleaning today? This is a new candle I picked up at TJ Maxx, and we all know that the DW Homes candles have such great fragrances. This clean kitchen smells like lemongrass, and I don't remember the other scents in there, but it has such a fresh, clean scent. It is the perfect clean kitchen candle. So I am just going ahead and putting away all the stuff that's in our dishwasher. This is our big drying rack, as you might know. Several things that need to be put back in our baking and spice cabinet, and as you can see, this area needs a cleanup. So hopefully I will have a pantry and cabinet organization video coming up pretty soon. If you'd be interested in that, please leave a thumbs up on this video so that I will know that you're into these type of cleaning and organization videos. This is one of those moments I just needed to stop and hydrate. I always use this as my water bottle or water cup around the house because the water actually stays cold. I am so much more likely to drink water if it's actually cold. Let me know if you're the same. Every time I shine my sink like this, I always think Fly Lady would be so proud. Who used to read or listen to Fly Lady back in the day? I know I did, and I still would highly recommend her methods to anybody struggling with keeping the house clean. At least with all these books on the table, we can tell that there was some learning going on. That is always a good sign. And my daughter's little STEM craft that she did with a balloon, a straw, and a little Hot Wheels car, that was a really fun activity. So we just quickly put away the stuff that was on the table. I'm straightening up some of our school area, and I'm going to give this area a whole new organization makeover with some hidden organization because it's just so easy for this area to get cluttered. So that will be an upcoming video. We are getting in the mode for making the plans for our coming school year and finishing up this current school year. So we'll definitely be making some changes to how we organize. Just looking forward to the coming school year and meeting the different grades and ages and stages that we have in our family now. One thing I do on a rotating schedule is wiping down my cabinets in the kitchen. Today I'm just doing the uppers, and on another Saturday I will do just the lowers. And so this can be a big job, so that's part of the reason that I split it up into different Saturday jobs, but it does make a huge difference. It really makes the kitchen feel fresh and clean and refreshed just to have any little handprints or lingering splashes or anything like that off of the cabinet faces. And the fresh clean doors and using a good smelling natural cleaner just makes me feel like the kitchen is truly deep down clean. Well, I will say it feels so good to have the kitchen all clean, and we went ahead and wiped down the dining table and the little sideboard where it's really our school supplies little cabinet on the side there. And you got a peek at our new feature wall that we made this spring. So it feels so good to have the house clean, right? And then I set the diffuser with some peppermint and lemon, and that always smells fresh and clean. And peppermint is a really energizing scent, so I definitely feel like I am ready to tackle the next room, and I also need to sweep and mop the floors. So I feel like we're making really good progress, and I'm always encouraged when I see an actually clean kitchen. So let's move on to the living room. So I did share with you a few weeks ago that one of our big refreshes for the spring was to completely reorient our couch and change to the white slipcovers. Now this can be a little nerve-wracking with a house full of kids, and we changed from some darker gray slipcovers that are a little bit easier to hide spots, but I am loving the freshness that white couch brings to this room. So we do cover our couch with some blankets just on the seating area, and I found that this really does cut down on the amount of times that we need to wash the slip covers. So it's definitely worth putting those blankets on for day-to-day use, and we do get a lot of use out of our living room, so I definitely want the kids to feel comfortable and at home in here. So it feels really great to have my house clean. I know taking the time once a week to really go through the house and make sure that we found those hidden dust or socks that got pushed under the couch or whatever it is, and just give the house a really thorough clean makes a big difference. So it just makes me really happy that I took this time on Saturday morning to reset my house for the coming week, and it just makes me want to sit down, enjoy my nice clean space, and drink some of my water. So thanks for joining me for this one, and I will see you next time. Bye. Now, before I close out the video, I will show you the clean shots. It is always so satisfying to see those afters. So enjoy this, and I will see you in the next one.